Are your UPSC notes everywhere? Random folders, Telegram groups, different WhatsApp groups, and you can't find anything when you need them the most? Trust me, I got it. So let me introduce you to this new feature on UK, which is our ultimate companion. So this new feature is called Notes. You can go to the Notes section on Yuki. You can click on Add Notes section where you can upload your notes, which is already stored in your computer, or you can also download it from somewhere else and store it here. Along with that, you can give it certain tags. Tags like things that you find it is tough or that should be revised again, or something that was asked in previous year. You can tag them easily. Besides that, you can also tag the subjects as well, like economy, environment, ethics, geography, governance, any subject that those notes belong to. So in this note feature, you can see there is a caption known as note title, where you can also give title to your notes. Here it is bold, italic fonts, as well as a URL which you can connect to. For example, there's a video or there's a particular explanation that you find very much helpful related to a particular topic. You could easily post those URL in here so that you can easily refer to it in future whenever you need it, which is an amazing feature. Save the note, you can easily search the topic or the subject, and you can see the related topics or the notes that you have already saved in this particular section. So this is a very helpful feature in UK now. So apart from syllabus tracking and current affairs, now you can also share, write, attach your notes as well. So all the best. Papa.